guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a straight to curly routine. I did not film my curly to straight. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. But my hair is already starting to like revert. I've had this straight hair for a while, so now it's time to go back to my curls. So what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to talk through everything right now, is because I'm going to just voice over the rest of the video. But right now I'm going to be using just a water bottle to get my curls wet and start to revert them and get them to curl back up. And then I'm going to be going in with my Aztec Clay bentonite clay mask. The reason I'm going to be using that is because the last time I used it, I had such good results. And I'll put some pictures here of just how springy my curls were, how it brought my curls back to life. So I'm going to be using that. And then I'm going to be using the Dad Meltdown Extreme Repair Mask for dry damaged textures. So for some of my damaged sections, I've been using this to kind of get my curls back. It helps with elasticity and all those things. It is kind of pricey, so I am going to put a link to this below, but this is what I'm going to be using. Go through that, but I'm just going to let you guys watch as I bring my curls back. Alright, you guys, so as you saw, I'm going to be going in with this Aztec Clay mask. Again, I'm going to link that video up above so that you can see that in detail. But I'm just sectioning off my hair and running the clay mask through each section. Again, I absolutely love how this stuff has my hair turned out. So I'm being pretty generous with it. And I end up putting this throughout my whole head, which you guys are going to see. And then I left it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. It does get a little hard, but it's really simple and really easy to rinse out. And you can already see that like my curls are starting to get a little bit more springy. So this is my hair with the clay mask all throughout. Look at the definition that is coming back. Oh my goodness, I love when this clay mask is in my hair. So this is actually my cleanser, which I mentioned in that actual video. So I'm not going to shampoo my hair or anything. I'm going to rinse this out and then come back and start putting in the We Dad mask. I've got the mask all through my hair. Hair is detangled. I am going to let this sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. I think I ended up doing closer to 30. And then I'm going to rinse this out and go ahead and style my hair off camera. I just wanted to show you in this video my steps to bringing my curls back. But I am going to show you really quickly the two products that I use to style my hair. And I also use these in my Make It Last Wash and Go routine. So if you want to see that more in depth, I'll have that video linked above. But I'm going to go ahead and show you these products, and then the next time you see me, my hair will be completely done. Alright guys, so it is the next day. This is what my hair looks like. The curls are back. The curls are back, y'all. I love my straight hair, I do, but it's something about bringing my curls back. So I'm going to let you guys see what it looks like all the way around. Yes, y'all. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.